Hi, and welcome to Q Cooks. Today, I'm Quinn, and today I'm going to be making chocolate muffins with a secret ingredient. So my secret ingredient is cricket powder. Now, if you are allergic to shellfish, you might be allergic to cricket powder. So, let's get started. I have some dry ingredients that I'm going to put into a bowl. This is plain flour. This is caster sugar. For caster sugar you need 1 cup, and for flour you need 1 cup and a quarter. And it goes. This is baking powder. And I forgot to do something. I need to turn on the oven. I'm going to put it onto fan and onto 100, 200. Now while that's heating up, I'm going to put into 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This is a quarter of a cup of cocoa powder. Whoa! And this is my secret ingredient, cricket powder. You need half a cup of cricket powder. That's the dry ingredients. Now, I will mix it up. While I'm mixing, I'm going to talk to you about what colour it might turn out to be. So right now it's a really light brown. I think it might be a darker brown once I add in all the different ingredients. That's that done. Now, I need to add in all the wet ingredients. The melted butter. And you need 100 grams. Now, it's quite warm. In it goes. That's all of that. The milk, 1 cup and 1/2 of a cup is how much you need. Put it in. And I am going to mix it. Now I am going to add in some vanilla. The vanilla, you need 1/2 of a teaspoon. See daisies. And the egg, 1 egg. And I'm going to mix it all together. We are going to pour in the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Alright. Now that that's done, we are going to mix them all together. It gets a bit tough. So if you're a kid who's doing this, you may want an adult to help you. We will be needing 1/2 a cup of chocolate chips once it's all been mixed in. And we're going to pour it in. Oops. Some don't want to come out. There we go. That's all the ingredients mixed up. I can do it now. Keep mixing until combined nicely. Now, I have a tray with some paper cups on it. We are going to pour in. Well, we're not going to pour it in. We are going to use, I'm going to use 2 spoons to put it in. A bit more. Each cup may need maybe 3 or 4 spoons. There's one done. I'm going to move this closer because I've been dripping. Oops. It looks delicious. Now, that's all you need to do. Now let's pop it into the oven once I've finished washing my hands. Into the oven it goes. Oh, hot. Done. Now, you want to cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. Alright, so it's dinged and I think they are ready. I'm going to put on these oven gloves. Now, all we need to do is wait for them to cool. I'm now going to put them on a cooling tray. Nope, not big enough. Should do. I need a tea towel. $11, $12. Whoops. And now we wait for them to cool. I'm going to put this into the sink. Oh, that's hot. I am going to use these again. And now we wait for them to cool. I am going to get a plate so I can taste them. I will have this one. You might like to serve it with a dollop of ice cream. Whew. They are a bit hot. I am going to use a knife to cut it. Oh, they're nice and soft. Gooey. Bit hot. I'm going to try a teeny little bit. Delicious. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!